Hello guys, my name is Bjorn and the mall is closed. See, my daddy is here and my mommy is over here and me. And so onte people, kita mo guys? Kita mo guys? See?
Kita mo eh.
Close pa yung store ng bench. Ito, close ng store. Ito. Tapos, bye-bye guys! We're here in Mega Center, Mamay.
Mega Center Waterpark.
Walter Mark San Jose. There, Walter Gaban pala. I'm just wrong kanina. And my name's Bjorn. Mayroon ng fishing catch. And see, there, see?